Oh, did we start wireless? Or did you?
Yeah, I did whatever.
Okay.
Turn whatever I needed to do. That's why I said don't push the top button. I was hoping you didn't push it.
No, I didn't touch it.
Then yeah, you didn't touch it. Should be good.
Okay.
Alright. Everything is good. Then oh no.
Oh, that's a good find already.
It's like, but look at the water. It's
So dry.
no, it's constantly being pumped. There's a pump under there. It's like
it's
like one of the
sprinklers.
yeah, the sprinkler, but it's just airy.
We got some blow around it.
Nice. Okay, well hey, hello beautiful people.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, I mean we jumped right into it, huh? We're at Sunrise Park today. Bree's joining us.
Hey, this is where we see our baseball.
Yeah, Power Baseball is right here. So Power Springs, Palm Springs, Palm Springs
I
Power.
mean, it feels like that right now. Look at all this water.
Yeah,
Hey, that's just a
absolutely.
waste.
Ugh.
Hey, look, it's all coming over here.
Hopefully these trees suck it up. Not that though, obviously. Yeah, it's Palm Springs Power. Look at that. Little
But
Palm-
you don't need to be drinking that water.
Oh yeah, here's the schedule for them. Palm Springs Power. Hopefully y'all can see it. I remembered to put the camera down on my waist to start this video, so hopefully we can, editing, she can tell me if this is good or not.
And then we got violets now on her chest too. So, maybe it'll look good.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, the thing is we just can't see the litter. She was saying that you can't see it when it's too high up.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to make sure, I mean that's, yeah, we're a puppy walk, but you need to see some, yeah. Puppy and litter walk. But yeah, we're at, this is Sunrise Park. There's more parks going that direction, the way I'm facing, on the other side of the tree. And it'll be nice. It should be
So
nice.
it's just a plant.
It's a plant. I'm back on the bitches. Oh, I need to start my walk.
Oh, to record your steps.
Yeah, the fitness thing. And death is a decision. The fuck you get a new watch. Like a line between two dots. Spoon!
Mm-hmm.
I definitely find more spoons than anything else.
There's not a lot of litter here. What does it mean about our baseball games? Glasses.
Hold up.
The frame's right here.
Oh shit. Dude, somebody got punched or hit with a baseball. It's broken too. Big money, deep pockets. Blood blowing, color draw showing. I don't give a lovely motherfuck ass ginger with my more glasses? No way. That's the guy that punched the nerd. No, the nerd got punched, went to his car, came back and was like, I got safety glasses now, bitch. He got punched again. And then was like, never mind. I'm going home. Need to bust your ass, ginger. Come on.
I kind of went the wrong way.
Yeah, we went the wrong way. We walked the wrong way. Now we're going to walk.
No, don't leave the strap. Right there.
Oh, appreciate that. Liz. Oh shit, I like surprises. Why you wanna watch it? I say YM. Young Molo. Bees till it took us. Oh, fucker. That's not like this. Stupid Jesse. Lil Wayne will never sign you. You're messing up the lyrics. I'll never be a rapper. I tried to tuck this in, which sucks, but I have a little bit of a belly. A little bit of a belly, but my shirt is blocking it. It still has ice in it. Wait. They're still nearby. It's like a fire. The fire's still warm. Yep. We gotta follow. Well, yeah. We gotta follow. Get close to the ground. I smell white women. Go Starbucks, white women. Okay, thank you. Oh. Welcome home. Yeah. Some skinnies and some sweetness. Belly of a beast till it. Oh. Zins? I just had a shock in my back.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, it was weird. Like cheeks whenever I bent over. Nice one.
Yeah. Oh wait, I'm splitting the ball.
You did.
Oh, Violet, come
No,
on.
I'm splitting the ball. Come on now, baby. I'm 1, y'all are 3. Let me. Ooh, you scared me?
Yeah. She was nervous. Not me.
I'm gonna stay outside of it.
Yeah, I do. I'm in Hey, thank you.
Oh, is that a fort? Oh no, we even the score. Plastic or metal? Help me, girl. It's plastic. Tied score. I'm just a mess.
Oh,
Oh, you think you lost the mic?
I did. I thought I lost it, and no, it fell at the top too. So great.
Tap, 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 tap.
Yeah, pretty much. Like every time I just touch, I feel like, oh yeah, it's there.
Yeah, it does suck that the mic is broken. Look, I wonder if we can fix it somehow.
Yeah.
I wonder if you could, like, hair tie it to your fucking glasses right there or something.
Maybe. I mean, you can hair tie.
Well, yeah, I just meant, like another hair tie or something.
Yeah. Rubber band.
A second hair tie? Whoa. The second hair tie is hit the tower?
Yeah, I think you're going to really just leave it in the time and move it around on both ends of it.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll just wrap to whatever.
Are you eating the grass?
She's eating grass. She's eating grass. Better than eating ass. She should be smoking grass, eating ass, but instead she's eating grass. Probably smoking ass. You know what I mean? I don't either. I don't fucking either. Is there a game zone? I thought Thursdays was a game. They don't? And then they play Friday, Saturday, or am I wrong? I never remember. Or is it Wednesdays they don't have games?
No, they have games Wednesday, but that was Tuesdays, and I think you're right, Fridays, something like that.
So is it Tuesday, Wednesday they play, and then Thursday off, and then
Yeah,
Friday,
yeah.
Saturday?
By the way,
Got her out, go around her. Yeah, she's dumb. She doesn't know how to get it. She's not. She's a pretty princess. No, they're cutting grass. Fuck. Sorry, I didn't meditate. That just means. Oh, chopped it all. Have they gotten here yet? Oh, dude, I was just 7 minutes. They've been here. Or at least they've been. No, they haven't. I see a plastic cup. Let's go. Oh!
Right over there.
Good job, by the way. Proud of you. Couldn't pick it up?
No. Just try to eat it a little bit. I think it's cut grass.
It's a good fucking place. Palm Springs baseball.
Hey, puppies. Puppies! Come here! Come here, come here! Monkey, monkey, monkey. I know, it's so exciting when I talk.
She hates photos.
Can we sit? Can we sit for mommy? Sit. Good job. Sit. Sit. There.
Good try. You're so cute. Sit. And then one sits, the other one stands up. It's sit.
Monkey can't tell. Monkey can't tell. It's okay.
I just love when I tell Monkey to sit. Her sit's so sassy. She kind of like lays down sideways. Just think she lays on her hip. It's like, yeah. Oh, come on. Good girls. What?
It's grass. It's grass. It's like my grass.
Just clovers.
Yeah.
Fucking. My mom was the person that would just walk by and stop and go, oh yeah. Go over to pick before this.
Yeah, how do you find one?
Keen eye? I don't know. Violet, we don't bark at people. That's so rude. Hey, Violet, are they going after mommy? No. Hey, we don't bark at people. That is so rude. Stop. Mommy's safe. You don't need to bark at him. Damn.
I saw him coming.
Yeah. That's very rude. Your mother is safe, girl. I guess I'll walk up the park a little more. Oh, gosh. City. Violet, do not bark at somebody who's meditating. Let's go, man. There's something right here. Come on. Good job, we'll promise it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm trying to take my knee out. Ow. What was that? Boys and Girls Club? Oh. Why are they yelling at me? It did, it was weird. It took my ankle a second to land.
It feels like I can bounce off
It
this.
does. Imagine how this one we were younger.
Yeah, I got with the wood shavings.
Yeah. The fucking wood chips? This is nice. What the hell? Yeah, do we make a track out of that? What the hell? I feel like I could run backwards now that I'm on hard ground. Can we go back to this? Oh my god, wait up. I'm soft. This is how it happens. I get used to this and then I can't handle regular ground. Oh my god, going back and forth is insane. Holy shit. It's like going into outer space, zero gravity, and then going back again. Hey, puppies, go with mommy. Go. Follow. Her camera's kind of pointing at the ground. I think it hit something. Let me see if I can. Hey!
Yeah, I got it floated like that.
Alright. Oh, wasted the shit in my car. That's all high for monkey. She's like, what the fuck, ass? What's in my little leg? Damn. Alright. Cool, another. She said it. You said it. You said it. You heard it. Yeah, maybe I yell at her. I don't know. Stop! Set over top one. One down. Touch another up. Sit. Oh no. Sit. Just say, oh.
Did not say.
Sit off. But you won't sit it out. Alright, here it is. Oh. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just harder. Is she?
Yeah. Yeah, found it. Found it.
Thank you. Yeah, every piece of litter. Yeah, we're walking. Whoa, get out of that hole! What the hell is that? Snake hole? Oh.
He has started
What?
he was walking around. So, I mean, he wasn't good.
Yeah, but like, is that where you're going to drop off?
No, he's sitting up and caught it. So it's like, oh, we go a little bit.
He's just going to put him on his neighbor's yard that he doesn't like. Yeah. I saw that too. God damn, look at that! I didn't mean to call you out like that. Oh. Jesus. Yeah. Clean the city, more like Batman or that. We're just cleaning up the city. Beautiful lady, with better days. Let you fall, girl. Fall, girl, fall. Did you ever grab a key? Alone? Little big stuff? What are we doing here? There's glitter in my heart. Oh, it looks like it's floating pot. Maybe this is from his heart.
Yeah.
Start coming over here. It's gonna be his hair. No!
You need water?
Man, she woke up fighting mad. She didn't know about the time I had. What's the turkey sandwich? Oh, drive to clear my mind, it'll pass so scratch out chicken, well, that's it, take care of me. So little waste of time on the shit. On the radio station, on the beach vacation. How do you do that?
I don't know. That's how I get it.
You just order it.
What do you know about this embarrassing animal?
Is the only rush I did. That's all. Out here closed. Hey. No! Some homeless person! God damn it! Use code! Fork! Alright, well, we can run that. Bye. Yeah, what's this? I didn't stop keep bringing me up and pissing me off for that. I'm not gonna lie to you, please, I'm gonna walk. Oh shit. Copper? Absolutely. Hell, somebody did it. Did I get there next morning? I fucking hope so. I fucking hope no, she's cutting her ass. I do see that. And I see a pop over there. Oh, a knife came into play! Whoa! Lost knife into play! Whoa! Wow, today's a good day. Oh! You missed something. No park. They didn't have any alone time. No! Oh god, is that another fort? Holy shit, are they spreading their wealth? Puppies, you want? Where are my dead puppies at? Get the whip of that. Yeah.
It's a giant bowl. Okay.
So you also have to feed the dog food? Suicide. I'm being bored. Oh. You have got to be kidding me. Alright, so get that horse. Me. Oh my god! Another fork! This is the craziest day. How many fucking forks? Dude, the spoons are losing. Holy shit! What? Another fork. Jesus Christ, it's Jason fork. It's a prototype. And my dick was immense. Oh, it's heavy. It has infection. Oh, lost. That's how fucking hits.
I'm a fucking person.
Yes, man. So many signs. So part of me. I get around my life with no handlebars. Alright. Oh, you're gonna get tore up. Oh, you don't remember the last time you fucked with ants? I let you get bit, girl. Yeah, so we'll get bit again. Careful. Yeah, that was right. With the microphone. With the microphone. Is it close to 40 minutes? How long will you walk? Pilot, we don't bark at people, girl. Is this another fork? You as well, thank you so much. This is another fork. This is crazy, yeah. Come on, baby. Good girl. Way to behave. We don't bark. Huh? Shit. Oh no. Oh, you look at this giraffe. Oh, I'm in the chills. What the hell? I'm on Cali, boy. I'm in the shade and I'm cold? What the fuck? Dude, what is this giraffe? That's not litter. Pieces of bark. Damn it, girl. Oh. I can get no satisfaction. Oh! Crackhead corner. Oh, who's this? Michael Buccino! Shout out. Love you. No. How do we do this? Oh, wait. Tissue. Tissue. Over poop. Grab tissue. Put tissue on this thingy. This thingy goes in the trash bag.
No, just in the trash bag. Someone got first.
Okay.
I don't know if I want to use Oh, look at that.
It's the giraffe I'm fucking talking about.
That's the giraffe?
I don't know.
I got it.
Oh, it's a dragonfly. Or a flower. Baby, wait, there's litter over here. We got distracted by dog poop and the giraffe. Stuff over there too. A bunch of coat hangers. Be careful though. This is like where, yeah, that's where drug people hang out. Just put needles and stuff. you steal clothes, do you also steal the photos? It's hard to get these in the bag. Five. Seven coat hangers. Alright, great job, baby. This way, and then we'll go to the giraffe. No, I said this way to the giraffe. Oh, that was a separate question. We do need to go to the grocery store. But I don't know what we need. I know we need onions. Dude, we got so much food. I don't want potatoes. We have so much rice and we have noodles and there's so much food, baby. We don't need, you bought 3 loaves of bread. We need to eat so much. Well, I'm glad you found it. We need to eat so much bread. Oh, they showered back here. Yeah, I got it. Another fork? Holy shit. Holy fucking A. I don't know. I might need to sit down. Holy cow. Oh, there's too many forks. Not enough spoons. This is throwing me on my head. Makes more sense. Spoon heavy and palm spoon is fork heavy? Is it good? Yes, there's more babies down here. There's forking in the shower.
I wasn't expecting that. I got it.
I was trying to figure out how to get scissors in there, but I couldn't figure it out, so. Don't hit me. Ew. There's a whole chicken laying in there.
Yeah, that's not appetizing.
You sure? You don't want that chicken?
I mean, it's not soup.
Oh, yeah. Alright. I'm sweating. Let's go. Well. Oh, is it? Alright, well, let's walk towards the giraffe. Go check it out. Oh, God. How about this camera? It looks good. It's very bouncy down there. Yeah, that's sick. Dragonfly with flowers. Well, dragonflies only live like 24 hours. I think that's something. Oh, and it's colorful underneath. Monkey's peeing beautiful in there. Oh, it's a seat too?
Oh, you can see the rainbow.
Got the rainbow there. And then there's my rainbow right there. We got a. There's down there.
And the answer is that's just hot. It's actually not like burning.
Yeah, I could see that. It would get way too hot.
Yeah.
There's a little shade from the dragonfly, huh?
Yeah, not much.
They could have made the flower more shade giving. Can you get off my fucking claw, Violet? It smells like poop, huh? Alright. Well, that was my neck. I wonder if I can hear that hopping. What the fuck? I'll be sitting there. Oh yeah, just don't bring Violet. Oh, there's Mark. But I just... I can't do a pull-up, no. I can't do body weight right now, it's too fat. You gotta jump. When? What age? When you quit dive? What does dive have to do with jumping?
You don't go to diving platform.
Doesn't it string you?
Yeah.
So did you have So are you jumping or is the dive board jumping you?
Yeah, you have to clip it.
Yeah.
The thing is, if you fuck up the timing too, by getting your jump wrong, you can hit it before.
Oh, while it's coming up.
Yeah.
Like, oh yeah.
Have you ever done that?
Absolutely, I
That
have.
is different.
The double jump? The double dunks? Hopefully send them into the stratosphere. Hey, Violet, look somewhere else. Violet, you're not barking at people, okay? You don't bark at people. You leave them alone, okay? Violet, would you not bark at people, girl? Nobody's in danger here. Alright, this bag is full. Pretty damn full. It was a good day. It is a good day. It's just starting, baby. You're gonna stream today. I haven't done it the past 2 days. Maybe while you're doing homework today, Alex. Do a live. We already walked this way. Can we go this way and then go around, right? Violet, please don't bark at people. Violet, stop barking at people. Bad girl. Panda! I think it's just a pile of shit I grabbed. Yeah, 40-minute mark. Dogs are done. Me too. They're training me. Yeah? Oh yeah, the towels and whatnot. Yeah. Socks. That's a weird structure.
No.
I don't know, like a T. Kind of has a weird wiener at the top.
Yeah, I was kind of getting that too.
The red head. It's kind of weird. The tip.
And like it's red on the side, like you can't really see it. So like, yeah, what do you think it's supposed to be? Violet, come here.
Oh. I'll just wait for y'all over here.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just looking
No,
at
you're
it.
fine.
It kind of looks like a yin yang, but like different culture.
All right. Hey, respect. To you.
And it's black and red for like the yin yang. That's kind of cool.
Black and gray.
Black and red.
Oh, black and red. Sorry. Yeah. I can't tell if that's a bag or not. I think it's a bag. Oh,
Well, I mean,
God, I'm
like...
getting tired. Oh, this bag's heavy. Thank God, Bree walk the dogs because I would be screaming at them.
Oh yeah, they're not behaving well for this. Harness on like her back, and she's definitely pulling with it.
What'd you say?
That's harness on the back. It's definitely.
All right. Well, we learned, and we'll look at the camera. It might not even be worth it. So.
Oh yeah, I was wondering about it. You could see it jiggle every time she walks.
It bounces a lot. Yeah. So we'll see. Whatever. Hey, we're testing things.
Yeah.
And a new mic today, so.
Different placement. See how it does.
Absolutely.
Swagger of a cripple. That's your.
That is me. This song is me. I'm awesome.
This song really represents you.
It does. It even talks about my small wiener.
Yeah, so definitely not true.
Backs it. See catfish.
We're not chasing the cars. I know you want to run all. They're so much faster than they are, but.
So much faster than cars. Hey, how many violet power is your car?
Oh, I'm.
It's not horsepower no more.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah?
Yeah. She's tired, but.
She's tired. She's dragging behind. Y'all are. Maybe even more, monkey.
Yeah, you got an extra 10 pounds add on just this walk.
What'd you do?
No, you got 10 pounds down from this walk.
And not just the 10 pounds I've gained from anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Fat fuck.
You're not that
I'm gonna
big.
get so buff. I'm telling you, July's my month. Oh, you didn't hear all this yesterday, but I was like, yeah, man. That's my month now. Oh.
So we got a little red wrapper up here, right? Come on.
Oh, God, the sun. The leaf. Oh. I'm awesome. And I talk to myself on my Facebook wall.
Come on, monkey. I know, sweetie. She's slowing down so much.
We're so close, babies. Like a bumpkin.
You know, we didn't even pass by the swim center.
I'm sorry, love?
We didn't pass by the swim center. Oh.
Oh, no. We didn't, did we? That's parking big. We'll give him a second to sniff. Oh, gosh. And not because I need a second. Oh, God. I'm awesome. Ginger.
I'm awesome.
I'm awesome. I'm awesome. On my Facebook wall, I'm awesome.
Awesome.
Oh, gosh. Yeah. Need a professional. Probably got a mean chewy.
Oh, yeah, Monkey, you found them.
Good God. Monkey, you're a
Good
fucking
job,
hound
girlies.
for the litter. She's a hound. She never quits. Oh, puppies, y'all are gonna nap so well. Fuck you, old man.
Oh,
Oh,
look at
oh,
that. Hey, we leave it. Yeah, good girls. We
doing the
find it
nine.
and
That's
then we
what,
leave it for Daddy.
cause you looking right. You looking right. But I know that you might. I know that you might. I know that you might. Trying to get the chewy tonight.
I don't know why he's honking.
I
Hi.
want to get suck my balls. You don't stop, baby. Not at all, baby. Show you how to ball, baby. Not tomorrow, baby. Take this good weed and break it down. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right into the sunlight, huh, puppies? Monkey's peeing. Oh, God, no. No, 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 no. No. There we go. Don't fall. The bag's full. Shit's spilling out.
You need me to grab something?
No. I just need it to. Oh, you're good. You're good. I'm just making sure. I got big things in here. Oh, fuck. Oof. Core strength, huh? Oh. Two.
Come here, sweetie.
Man, who decided to walk directly into the sun?
There we go.
Whose
There we
fucking
go.
idea was this?
Oh, Violet, come here. There we go.
Oh, gosh.
Hi, puppies.
My bag is so full. Is there a God? And if there were, why would he do this to me?
I mean, did he make you do this?
You know, I used to be sad about it until a couple of days ago. This old NFL player was diagnosed with ALS,
Uh-huh.
and now he is unable to walk or talk for himself. He has to look at a computer.
Uh-huh.
This guy ran for 2,000 yards. He was a fucking machine in the NFL. And within a year, he's fully paralyzed.
Whoa.
It's so sad. Just from something he couldn't help. It's a disease.
Yeah.
It's like, bro, why am I so upset? No reason to be so upset. Life's pretty good.
Right? We can still walk. We can move around.
Absolutely. It hurts, but I can walk. I can talk.
All right. I think this is the end of our walk.
I guess hurting is better than feeling nothing, right?
Yeah. So one day, you can say,
That's a sad day to think about. But we're damn near to the car. I love you people. Amazing walks.
oh, yeah. Everyone had fun today. Everyone's pooped.
Yeah, it was fantastic. We will see you at weigh-ins. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Perfect. Oh, God, I'm tired. All right, people. 248.2. $248.2. Oh, big bag. Whoa. 261.2. 261.2.
Hey. No, get in. Like.
All right, beautiful people. Love y'all. See y'all next time.